Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this Selenium with Python series. In last video, we have seen about tuples in Python. Now in this video, we'll talk about set in Python. So let's create new file. Give name as a set demo. You can give any name. Okay. So set is nothing but it is a collection of unique elements. Okay, and it stores multiple elements. Like a set and like a list and tuple, it will stores the multiple elements. Okay, but it will hold only unique elements. Means it does not allow duplicate elements. So let's see how to define set. So we can define set. So S1, this is a variable which here acts as a set. So for declaring set, we have to use this curly bracket. For list, we have used square bracket, and for tuple, we have used round bracket. Now for set, we are giving this curly bracket. So define value, or we can insert value like this. One, then give any string. I will give country name. Then give any name. Hi. Then give any random number. Then 45, 2.3, 90. So these are my set element. So let's print this. So this is the output of set. So we have inserted one, then India, and then next high. But in output, you can see the order is means we are getting random element. Random element means order is not fixed. Insertion order. So set does not maintain insertion order. Means set is unordered. So this way we can declare set. Another method is or another way is we can define the set by using set constructor. So we can define like this 23, 55, then give any string name, then 613 to 87. So this is my second list. We'll name it as S2, and we'll print this. We'll print this set. Let's execute this. Now we are getting this set. So this is the other way to declaring the set. So for we have seen in case of list and tuples, it allows duplicate element and it maintains the insertion order. But in case of set, it does not maintain insertion order. Means in the output we are not getting exact same element which we have inserted, and it does not allow duplicate element. So let's add duplicate element. So here I will add 55 and 23, and now print this. So see here, though I'm inserting the duplicate element, but in output it will give me only unique element. So set does not allow duplicate elements. So next talk about next feature of set. Means we cannot change the elements of this set, or we cannot update the set items. We can add elements, we can remove element from the set, but we cannot update the set elements. Means it cannot be changeable. So let's see how to add the elements into the set. So suppose I want to add the element. So S2, for adding element we are having add methods. Okay, so we can add here by using add method. Suppose I want to add this name. Okay, and let's print. I will add one more element, x1 dot add, and I will add 56. Now let's print s2 and run this. So this is my initial set, and this is the resulting set after adding these two values. Now how to remove the elements from the set? So to remove the element from the set, we are having two methods, that is remove and pop method. I will comment these two lines. first, and then first I will use remove method. For removing particular element, we can use remove method. Suppose I want to remove name value, name item. Okay, so let's execute this. So name is removed. Now suppose this is by using name remove method, we can do this. One more method is there to remove the elements from the set, and that is nothing but that is there. Okay, so by using pop method also we can do. The difference between remove and pop method is remove method will remove particular element, but pop method will remove random any random element from the set. Okay, and let's will execute. Okay, so this pop method it will remove any element randomly from this set S2, and it returns which element which element it is removed. Okay, so we'll catch that element by declaring one variable v1. Okay, or v, or we can say item which is removed. Okay, let's print this uh, item variable as well, so that we will come to know that a particular element is removed. So let's execute this. Okay, now see, this is my original list. This name is removed. Okay, this item means name from this set name item is removed, and this is my uh, resulting set. So this is about the addition and deletion of element. And to find the length of the set, we are having this 10 tuples. We can use len method. So print len and s2. So this will give me the resulting set length. So we'll execute this. So this is the length, means it will hold 4 elements. So this is all about this set. So if you like this video, then please click on like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.